Hello and welcome back to Not a Proper Classic. The rough running saga continues. So let's have a look and see what's wrong, or still wrong, this time. So as we can see, it's still idling too high. That's how many miles I've got out on a tank. Normally get 400, so it's affecting economy. But this is in park or neutral. I go into gear, it drops down. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there. Someone said it could be the MAF, so I need to have a play with the MAF and unplug it, and whatever, it could be an air leak. So what I'll do, I think I'll have a look at the MAF. I'll unplug that on my next little drive while I go and get some fuel, and we'll see how it does. Don't know if you can see that there, but there's a bit of a rough, slightly lumpy idle. So yeah, I've popped on it. So let's go and see if doing anything with the MAF will help. I believe that's this here. So okay. So you definitely heard that change. Let's just try once more and have a look at what the idle's doing inside. That time it didn't do anything. I think my MAF might be dead. Let me just leave you here a minute. I want to blip the throttle, plug it back in, and I'll see what's happening. That killed it. That certainly killed it, but I'll plug the MAF back in. So now let's see. I'm not sure. I may have to go back to the hive mind of the Facebook forums on this. Possibly the MAF. Possibly. But short one this time. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Give me any ideas as to what you think could be wrong. I'm going to go and turn that light off and put some fuel in it. And we'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.